Hi guys, let's create a simple to-do list. So let's create a Google sheet with a name according to your wish. I have created the name as to-do list, and let's create two columns, done and tasks. Okay, here we will create a checkbox, and here the task we will write manually. Let's put some sample tasks. Okay, now here what you can do, just click on the first cell and click on insert and then click on checkbox, and now you can drag it like this. Now whenever you have a new task, when you type new task, you just drag it down like this to include a new checkbox. Now let's start. It's very easy. What you have to do, you have to just click on format, click on conditional formatting. Now here in apply to range, what you have to do, you have to just select the range. So just select the whole column, okay, and just press Control and press the first field, because this is not included in our task. So you can select this whole thing and click on OK. Now here format cells if, just click on it and click on custom formula as, and here we will write equals to, and here A and 2 is the first cell, so we'll write $A2 is equals to true. So if this is true, that means the checkbox is checked. What we'll do, we'll click on strike through and click on done, and that's it. Whenever you will check anything, it will be checked like this. Okay, if in future you want to remove those done tasks, just delete those rows simply. No need of any scripts. And in future, if you want to add some tasks, just add it simply by typing and just Control C and Control V another checkbox. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please